When you were a child, did your parents ever tell you to use your words? Well, in this video, I'm going to be your father. And I'm going to tell you, use your words to make money. Use your words to transform your life. And I'm going to tell you some words that you can use to take your life to a whole nother level that would allow you to change everything about yourself except for your name. Now, you are whole, healthy, wealthy, and strong. This is true. But did you know that the key that's probably stopping you are the words that you use when you're interacting with people? I'm your platform partner. I'm your hustler homie, one and only Jackson, all about making things happen, addicted to the action. In this video, I want to share with you 5 words that you can use to help put a spell on the world. In fact, because if you're not putting a spell on others, those others are putting a spell on you. I'm going to show you 5 words you can use in almost any environment that will make you a more likable person, but really it's like you're being a salesperson without selling. You're just gravitating and becoming more magnetic, and you're getting the things that you deserve. In fact, that's one of the biggest differences between people that are very successful and those who aren't, is the ability to know what to say and when. But you're in good luck, my friend, because today you are with your hustler homie, and this is communication skills that are worth millions. More important than just the words that you use, it is about your vibe. Your actions can be so loud that people don't even hear your words. Vibe. You come with the right energy, and that is number 1. And then your words are just going to add the little icing on the cake. And these words you can use whether you're in a business situation, whether you're networking with people and you're looking to get new and wealthy creative friends, or if you're in a situation where you're out here dating and you're single and you're ready to mingle. So you want to pay attention, get your notes, and use these words. Number 1, I'm gonna give you 2 of them. Please and thank you. Please, please, honey, please, don't go. You want to use please and thank you. I used to think that using the word please or thank you made you weak. Like this is something that a kid would say if they're begging for something. Keith Sweat used to say please, baby, please all the time. Then when you use the word please and thank you to make people compelled to want to help you. Now imagine you're in a restaurant. You get your bill back and it looks like your bill is more than what you paid for. The average person may make the mistake and say, hold on, why did you mess up my bill? What's wrong with you? Immediately you're going into a conflict. You don't want to do that. Your words are either going to create conflict or make you magnetic and bring people closer to you. Let's say your bill looks wrong. You can look at it and say, excuse me, waiter, but can I get your help? Can I please get your help? Can you help me figure out exactly how to understand this bill? Because it looks to be wrong from what I ordered. Now, when you say please, a person, now y'all working as a team and they're more than happy to help you versus you just blaming somebody and now the other person is defensive. In fact, they're 2 of the most powerful words in the dictionary is please and thank you. Second word, interesting. Interesting is a very powerful word. This is one of those words that you can use in a lot of different situations that will help you. So the word interesting is a word that you can use whenever you are about to complain about something. Imagine you're waiting in a line and frustrated and you just want to complain like, man, what the is going on? You said you got multiple people, and when everybody else wants to complain, automatically you begin to stand out like a leader. Leaders, they're problem solvers, so they're not going to complain about something. People want to know that you're a person that can lift people up, and people like to be around that. 3, the third word, no. No. Most people are afraid to say no. You get people asking you to help with whatever they're doing. Hey, can you come out and do this event with me? Hey, can you come to this meeting? Hey, can I borrow some money? You have to learn to just say no. Most of us are afraid of conflict. We don't want to argue with people, or we'll be passive aggressive and you don't say anything at all. Give me a minute, let me think about it. The more that you can say no, people will begin to respect you more because you respect yourself. Don't tell no one I told you that. The next one, you. You is one of the most sexiest words in everyone's mind. Automatically, the person feels like you're focusing on them. A good public speaker, they're going to talk to everybody, but they're going to make you feel like they were talking just to you. They're going to feel like y'all have been friends for years. And many times it's because they're using the word you. See, you gets attention. So whatever it's doing, it says, somebody's talking about me. So the word you is one of the most powerful words in the vocabulary, because most people are tuned in to the what's in it for me radio. So use that word you more than you use the word I when you're talking to people. And finally is the word and. Jackson, and that's a simple word. You're going to replace the word but and use the word and. A lot of times when you use the word but, usually what you're saying is it's a negative. You say it's a beautiful day outside, but it's about to rain. Automatically you're not enjoying the beautiful day. A better way to put it is it's a beautiful day outside and it's going to rain. A small shift of your words may not seem like it's a major thing to you, but when you do it consistently, inch by inch, anything's a cinch, you're not far away from being very successful. It's just small changes that you need to make in terms of your mindset and your mind state. Boom. And you do those small changes every single day. Before you know it, it's a cumulative effect. Just like compound interest, boom! And now you're extremely wealthy and ahead of the game because you did what you had to do. You can change everything in your life, even your name. I am Jackson, your platform partner, your hustler homie, one and only. 24 hours in a